I am back with the finished wall. See? You could hover it like that. See? It's an invisible wall, so it's like people don't know, but it's actually invisible. So now let's troll for the road. I'm gonna put one right here and destroy this one. Right there. Okay, are you freaking serious? Okay, bye-bye. The bomb is gone. You're welcome. Okay, the lag. I like the lag. It's laggy, that's why. Let's destroy this. Okay, where's the bomb? Okay, I'm gonna put a bomb right here so it will explode and turn pink. In the road will turn pink. Run! Oh, that's why we have the barrier to learn something. We gotta put it right there. Remember it. Right there! Ooh! Just got ran over by a bomb! God won't help, okay? Cake is live. Cake is fine. I will stop. Stop lying. Wonder. Okay. Okay, now put one right there. And no one will know it. Ooh! No jails are allowed. Jails are not allowed in this server. Okay, I'm gonna turn this thing completely pink with that explosion! Ha ha ha! This thing makes anything pink! Unless it's anchorable. Like, it's anchored. Anchor! Oh my gosh, it glitched out of the barrier I've just made. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then it's just... Oh, let's trigger that one. Trigger. Okay, now let's put one right up there. Up there. Right there. Unfly. Ooh! Got it! I knew it. I knew I did. Yes. Okay, one right there. Ooh! There you go. No worries. I'm gonna turn the whole house pink. Almost the whole house is pink. Almost the whole house is pink. Okay. And I'm gonna put one right on this window so I could attach to the roof. Yes! Only little pieces of fake right there. I don't know what you're saying. Let's just destroy the seesaw. Let's destroy it. Okay, then after that, we'll place them around the map. And then we'll troll like crazy. And they don't even know what they're even doing. And one right there. And then, oh my gosh. Okay. I hate you. Can you stop triggering my bombs? It's annoying. Yes, annoying. Right there. There you go. And then one right here. and then one right there. And then if they want to go to the house, they'll get exploded by this bomb. And the one right there. Destroy! Done. Get wrecked! Roblox just got wrecked. Wrecked. Again. Just got wrecked. Okay. Maybe they'll go here. Okay. Most likely. Confirm. Confirm it. Confirm. Don't. If you activate it. Okay. Bye bye, DN. I know you're gonna be pink. You like pink. This is so funny, just trolling. I love trolling. One right there. And one right there. Oh! Somebody just failed for it! Oh my gosh, they failed twice. Oh! You're so... There you go. Hey guys, don't trigger it yet. Don't you dare trigger it. If you swear, I swear. Oh! And then more. Oh my gosh. This is so funny to look at it. It's just hilarious. Okay, now let's wipe out the whole entire club. Oh, it's just so funny. What are you doing? You want to get in there? That's weird. Oh, where'd my bomb go? Bomb right there. Hey. Get out. Get wrecked! So, shout out to Super Sparkles 1 because she helped me make this video by triggering all of those bombs. So, good. Bye.